Productions.
What's up guys, it's Premiere Kid, and today I'm going to be showing you how to add a crossfade transition in Adobe Premiere Pro. Now, this effect will all be inside of Premiere Pro, because if you're like new to editing and new to Premiere Pro, then I'm just going to show you the basics if you want to add like transitions and stuff like that. So, what you first want to do is, there are two ways to do this. So, the first way is you want to come into your effects control panel, and you want to type in cross dissolve. And as you can see in the bottom one here, and what you basically want to do is you want to drag this. You can drag this here, and it'll create a fading dissolve to a black screen, or you can add it here, which transitions it to the other clip. So it'll be just like this. So as you can see, it fades into the next clip, and just ignore that I'm working on my next video. But we can get rid of this, and then another way to do this is you want to come down, and you should see at the split of your clips, you'll see like a red boat with an arrow, and right click that, and then select apply default transitions. Now this just basically does the same thing. It just doesn't do anything else. It's the same thing. So click on that, and it creates the same fade that we added on at the beginning. So that's basically how you do it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's a very short one. Never asked to do this before, but make sure to like and subscribe. I don't want to sound stingy. I don't want to sound greedy when I say that, because I don't have a lot of subscribers. But make sure to hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the post notification bell so you don't miss out on any new video. And I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace out.